everyone. I hope everyone is having a really amazing week. Today it's all about help, and it's a do-it-yourself video. As you guys know, if you've watched my channel or you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, I am a huge lover of saving money, so I am a big do-it-yourselfer. We redid our entire kitchen, just my husband and I. If you have not saw that video, I highly suggest that you check it out, because it'll be a huge motivational factor if you're considering, you know, if you can do something yourself. And neither one of us have construction backgrounds, and we built an island and all of that. So I have videos on how to build an island as well, kitchen island. Check those out. I'm putting it out there to help you guys and to motivate and inspire you guys, to show you that if we can do it, you can do it. So today is all about redoing our back patio. We recently got a fence put up for our dogs in the backyard, and our patio looked a complete disaster. It was a mess. Like, it never been cleaned. It never been pressure washed since we moved in. It was a mess. And I'm like, okay, I'm ready to get this done because I want to redo my entire backyard. So the very first step is redoing the patio. So what we did was we had to pressure wash it to get it clean and get all that dew and mildew off. After we pressure washed it, we then actually painted it. And I'm going to show you step by step exactly what we did and the before and the after. It took less than a day, guys. Less than a day, a few hours. I think it took my husband, because he pressure washed it. Maybe, okay, pressure washing takes time for anything. So it took him maybe 3 or 4 hours to pressure wash the patio. But to actual prime the patio and paint the patio, and we did 2 coats of paint and 1 coat of primer, it took a day, literally 1 day. So a lot of these projects do not take long. You can do it on a Saturday, you can do it on a Sunday, you can do it on a day off, whatever you do, you know, instead of paying somebody to do it. Because I do know people who have paid people to come pressure wash the patio as well as paint the patio or driveway, or, you know, all of that. And you can do it yourself. It's not that difficult, and it saves you a killer amount of money. We spent less than $100, literally. And our uncle let us borrow his pressure washer, which was super sweet. But we also, like, our HOA lets you use the pressure washer. So it's ways you can actually get a pressure washer without having to buy one. And you can even rent them for, you know, a day. So it still shouldn't be a lot of money. So just find ways that you can do it, and seriously, save the money. Put that money to somewhere else in a savings or investment account towards your kids' education. There are tons of things you can do with your money besides spend it on unnecessary things, or just because you're lazy. Yeah, I said it, and you just don't want to do it. Easy way to do it yourself. Easy, guys, easy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below and tell me, you know, if there's certain things you're skeptical or you want to do it yourself, you're not sure, you want me to try first. Leave it in the comments. I'm open to all types of videos and I'm doing all types of do-it-yourself things. So yeah, leave me a comment, let me know, I'll check it out, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. So make sure you subscribe if you have not, because I'm rolling out numerous videos every week. So be sure to subscribe and click that little notification bell so you don't miss a video, because it'll tell you when I upload a video, and that's the key. Alright guys, until the next time, have a great day.